Understanding and discovering the data that could be specific or unusual in your business or your client's business is vital. Words entered as descriptions into the various data sources you as an auditor are tasked with analyzing can be a daunting task. How do you know what to look for in all of that data? How do you even know where to get started when you may not even know what you're looking for? Automation Services' Wordless Maker application was created to help with this challenge. By compiling a comprehensive list of all the words in a specific column in your data, you may be able to uncover those patterns, and even fraud. Using the standard import wizard and process, import the data into IDEA that you would like to use to compile your word list from. The Wordless Maker application is now a marketplace application, and you can purchase Wordless Maker application directly from the marketplace. There is a video on the Automation Services website dedicated to navigating and purchasing apps from the marketplace. After the application is installed on your IDEA instance, it can be found by navigating to the Smart Analyzer tab on the IDEA ribbon. Click the Select and Run button in the Audit Test category on the Smart Analyzer tab. The Select and Run Audit Test dialog will open and display a list of all audit tests that you currently have installed. The dialog is split into logical sections. The Audit Test Navigator displays all tests you have installed by name in a tree view. To the right of that is a panel that lists all the tests in each category that you select, again by name. The bottom portion of the dialog will always display a short description and example of the test or category you have highlighted. And after a test is run to completion, the results panel will provide an overview of your test results. Click on Wordless Maker in the Automated Apps section to display the required options and inputs, and ultimately run the Wordless Maker application. There are a couple of required inputs to run the Wordless Maker. To start with, click on the word No in the tagged column. The IDEA database you had open when starting up Wordless Maker will be automatically selected. If you want to create a list from a different database in your project, click the Select Database icon from the ribbon and choose a different database. Click the name of the database you want to use and then choose OK. Next, you will select the column in that database that will be used to create the list of unique words from the Fields to Assign dropdown. Once your selection is made, click the green check mark in the upper left corner to apply the tag to your database and close the dialog. Wordless Maker now knows how to process your data and create your list. With that completed, the tagged column indicates yes, and the status changes from a red box to a blue triangle. You can run the test at this time with default settings, or click the Define link in the Input column for a couple of optional pieces of information that you can set if desired. Click the Defined link to open the Options dialog. The Wordless Maker Options dialog will let you omit certain filler words, such as and, but, from, etc. If you regularly omit these words, you can save the list to a file that can be imported next time you run the Wordless Maker. You can choose to include two-letter words and have them as part of your list also. And you can leave the special characters in your data when creating this list also. Last, click OK to close the Options dialog and return to the Select and Run Audit Test dialog. All that's left to do now is to run the Wordless Maker. Check the box to the left of the test name and click Run on the ribbon. Or click the blue triangle to start the test directly. Depending on the number of rows your target file contains and the amount of data in the column selected, this could take a few minutes or more, so just be patient. You will see IDEA working in the background, and when the application finishes, the status will change to a green check mark. Simply close the dialog by clicking the X in the upper right corner to return to IDEA. The Wordless Maker creates a folder in your current project, and the list of words database will be created in that new folder. Double-click the file to open it in the Data view. The database will contain a word and a count of how many times each word occurred. You can now scroll through this list to see if there are any words present that catch your eye. If that's the case, you may want to use IDEA's built-in search feature to extract the rows of data that contain your red flagged words. The combination of the Wordless Maker application, which allows you to get a feel for the jargon or slang words used in a company, and the built-in search capabilities in IDEA that enables you to drill down to specific records in that data are potentially a big asset to any auditor or data analyst. For more information and to purchase the Wordless Maker application, click the Marketplace icon on the Smart Analyzer tab, or contact your account manager directly. If you need assistance with the Wordless Maker utility or your IDEA software, feel free to contact us at helpdesk@automation.com or give us a call at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.